Learn how to transform your blank space into an easy DIY project with Universal Floor and Wall 12x24 Peel and Stick Vinyl Tile from Armstrong Flooring. First, prep the surface, ensuring that your subfloor or wall is clean, dry, level, and smooth. Peel and stick tiles may be installed over existing vinyl flooring, plywood, concrete, or drywall. Here's a list of tools you will need. Measure the room to locate the exact center and mark a chalk line at the center midpoint in both directions, dividing the room into quadrants. Perform a dry run with your tiles before removing the release paper. To make a straight cut, follow this diagram. Place tile against wall. Draw a line where tile overlaps. Cut using a straight edge and a utility knife. Starting at one quadrant, remove the release paper, note the directional arrows, and install one tile at a time, pressing firmly while butting tile edges snugly. Roll the tiles firmly in all directions. Wait 5 days before washing your new surface. Easy to install, easy to clean. Create a look that's universal with floor and wall tile from Armstrong Flooring. Available exclusively at the Home Depot.